Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to unhide the sheets on the spreadsheets file by mobile phone. So the first thing you have to do is just go back into the documents or the spreadsheets files that containing sheets that you already hidden before, that we already had before. So here I already open my spreadsheets file, and here I already have 3 sheets, but then a long time ago I was hiding one sheets. So that to unhide those sheets, you just need to go click this 4 straight lines right here, and there will be pop up some sheets that the actual sheets that containing on the spreadsheets file. So on my files here it could be like 4 sheets, but then since I hide the second sheet, so only 3 was pop up on these options. So to unhide it, you just need to choose the hidden or the blurry sheets here, and there will be automatically pop up again on your spreadsheets file. So that's the way, so easy and so simple. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, and don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel to discover more about Google Sheets tutorial, and see you for the next video.